Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Cubiverse. And I sound like I have just woken up. Why? I don't know. So, anyway, today's video is going to be another unboxing, and I'm really excited about this. So, for those of you who don't know, a couple months back I unboxed a cube which was a bestseller, the Moyu RS3M 2020. And I loved it, and I still love it because it is really smooth, as you can see, and it is magnetic, and for a budget cube it is so impressive. But this bad boy just came in the mail right now. I'm afraid this might take this guy's position. Let's open it up and show you what it is. Guys, I've opened it up. I'm really excited, really excited for this cube. So let's get it out. Here's the contents inside the box, inside the foam. This is a cube bag for the storage of cubes. And now for the cube itself. But you might be thinking, wait, Cubiverse, this is not a new unboxing. This is just the RS3M 2020 again. Guys, I assure you that this is not. I am happy to announce that the successor of this cube has arrived with me. That's right. It is the RS3M 2021. So in this video, I'm just going to review this cube. I'm not going to compare it to the 2020 edition. That video will be coming out soon. So let's unbox. You again! So here's the box. So you might think that it looks the same on the cover. Like, what's the difference? So the difference is in the spring system, or should I say magnet system, because this cube has no springs. Off to show you why springs are needed. So you see these kind of metal rod things there? It's like a stem of the center. It has a spring right here just to, like adjust how much the cube is like fast. It's hard to explain, but it has a spring right here. You see below the screw. And when you turn the screw or the outer, dual adjustment system, like the spring compression system, the spring is either compressed or let loose depending upon your setting. And every cube needs springs to function. So now, you might be thinking that how can this not have any springs? So guys, let me explain. Instead of springs, it has the new trending maglev system in cubes. So you might have heard of maglev, which means magnetic levitation. And in maglev, there are two opposing magnets which repel each other. So they levitate on each other, I guess. And that's exactly how this cube works. Instead of a spring, there are two opposing magnets which act like a spring. So I've talked too much. Let's get to the unboxing. Contents of the box are the same. The dual adjustment tool. Then this Moyu stand and the cube itself. Guys, I already told you in the last Moyu RS3M 2020 unboxing that the dual adjustment system and what it does. So I'm not going to go on about that. So let's just review the cube itself. Let's open this up. Guys, so the cube is out of the package and I can immediately feel that it is super fast. So now, the moment we have all been waiting for, the first turns of this cube. Let's do a wireworm. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! This is so fast! I can't even control it, it's so fast. I've gotten so used to the older version. Oh my god, I'm messing up so much. Oh my god. This cube is so incredibly fast. Like, I'm overshooting a lot. Look at this. That was a U2. That was even a U2 and a half. Look at this. That was a U3. Dude, what is happening? What is this magic? Guys, let's see what happens when I go full force. Like, let's flick it full force. 3, 2. My god, I can't even stop being amazed at this cube. This is just, how did they even make this? So let me just show you. Why do these center caps always take so long? So the spring compression system is exactly the same. Right now it's on setting 1, which is too fast. So I'm just going to adjust it afterwards. So I haven't adjusted the spring compression yet. I mean, I should say the magnet compression. So first let's check the corner cutting of this cube. I guess let's do it 45 degrees like that. And go like, oh wait, what the hell? Actually, this is really good. This is like so much better. Guys, let me show you the difference. So wait a second. Yeah, here when I do 45, it is like not that easy compared to this. When I do like 30 or so, it is really easy on this cube. But it takes the same amount of effort for this cube to do 45 as it takes the 2020 edition to do 30. So can you see how good the corner cutting is? But you get the point. So let's take a look at reverse corner cutting. Oh wow, that's really good. The corner cutting on this cube is just amazing, guys. Now guys, off to show you the maglev system. So as you guys can see right here, there is no spring there. What? How? So as you can see, there is a big magnet here and it repels the down magnet. There is a magnet here. I don't know if you guys can see, but there is a magnet down here as well and here as well. So they repel each other, right? And it acts just like a spring. Guys, so let's go ahead and do a solve. 3, 2, 1, let's start. Like that. Then I probably should have looked ahead to first pair. I'm going to go like that. This OLL and an F perm. Done. If you are wondering what's in the box, it's the same stuff again. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and say that if you like slower cubes or if you like average speed cubes, you should get the 2020 edition of the Moyu RS3M. If you're all for the fast speed of the cube, then get the 2021 edition. If you can pay a few extra bucks to get a speedy cube, then you can get the 2021. I guess that's it from my side. I would recommend this and it's a really great cube. So I guess guys, that's it. So that's it for this review of the Moyu RS3M 2021. It's a really great speed cube and it's really incredibly fast. So I recommend you get it if you like fast cubes. Guys, that's it for today. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Just hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. And leave a like if you enjoyed this review and you learned more about the Moyu RS3M 2021. So that's it for today. Bye guys!